shark. Baby shark. Hydrovac cordless pro. Alright. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ting! Boing. Oh, we already bought that. But it's small.
This is probably only 3-4 uses. Then a couple snot.
Tapos na. Oh, wow. Very secure. My king. Oh, for the charging. Nothing?
Nothing.
But it's not purple.
Oh, it's powder blue. The moth is purple.
Only this one is purple.
Filter.
Filter.
Yeah. Clean solution tank removal button. Gonna put the batteries in. Oh, that's where the battery is. Is that what it is?
What is that for? Oh, for this?
Yeah, this is where you put it. This is the clean solution.
Let me see. Okay.
That's the battery indicator.
Alright. Clean tank empty, dry tank full, rag mode on. The rag over there.
Rub mode. Meaning clean the rub. Right.
So we need to buy.
We already bought them. No, not every time.
That is good for the wood, carpet, and what?
Hmm?
3-in-1 multi-surface cleaning system. Vacuum, mops, cleans itself. Tackles everyday cleaning to big messes, wet messes, stains, and grime, dirt, and debris. Oh, shoot the ball. That's the awning of very much. Hello, Justin. Hello. Hello, just where there's a light. Hello. run, 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 run. Okay. Charge now. How do you know the charging?
Okay.
And then if it's full color green.
No, it's full. This will be full, right? You see where it charges? See, there's a thing there.
Yeah, just like the
You put it on
robot.
there. Okay.
Alright, so gagamitin na natin. This one is from here. Finish ko lang this one. Alright. And also, I already put the Hydrovac Shark. This one. Alright. So, let's start to use it. I don't know how to use it, so come with me and teach me how. Here we go. Alright. So, full charge na siya. So, press lang natin dito kasi may nakita tayong paa doon. So, this one. Oh, diba? Amazing. And then, and rolling na siya. So, meron dito on. Try natin. Ooh! Oh, wow! Oh my gosh! Smart bee! Oh, ha? How I wish on! Oh! Oh! Saan ka punta? Dito lang. Oh! This is my first time to use this. Oh, diba? Ang iyong kapatid na ignore! Oh! Uy, nawala yung mga ano, oh. Mga dirt. Oh, this one, my dirt yun. Natin. Uy, nawala! Magic! Oh, meron pa buhok. Ay, nawala talaga. Eh, tapos may ano, oh, kita nyo? May, wet siya. Amazing! Wow, ang bilis! Tapos kumukulo siya. Kaya, bili na! This is so cool. I like this. No need to press anything for cleaning. Oh,